Hi, in front of me I have new BALANCE RunIQ, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the airplane mode on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can do it by tapping on the screen or pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the middle button to open the menu, then tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the airplane mode option, and to enable the airplane mode, tap on this icon. But it should change to on, and to disable it, you can simply open the settings again and tap on this icon to disable it like this. And that's how you enable the airplane mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.